Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs in Purgatory. This easy method brings a delicious, comforting meal to your table with minimal effort. We'll start by gathering just a few simple, fresh ingredients. You'll need about 4 to 6 large eggs, a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, some fresh garlic, and a handful of basil. Don't forget your olive oil, red pepper flakes, and a little salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's create our rich tomato sauce. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of good olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté them gently until they become fragrant, which takes about 1 minute. Pour in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, then stir in 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a lovely warmth. Let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken slightly. With our sauce perfectly simmering, it's time for the star of the show, the eggs. Using the back of a spoon, gently create 4 to 6 small indentations or wells in the sauce. Carefully crack 1 large egg into each well, making sure they don't break. Cover the skillet with a lid and let the eggs cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want the egg whites to be fully set, but the yolks should remain beautifully runny for that classic eggs in Purgatory experience. Your delicious eggs in Purgatory are almost ready. To finish, generously sprinkle about 1/4 cup of fresh chopped basil over the entire dish. Add a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, enhancing all those wonderful flavors. Serve this comforting meal immediately, perhaps with some warm, crusty bread for dipping into that incredible sauce and runny yolk. It's a truly satisfying and easy meal, perfect for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.